My name's Keegan and I'm doing the gas engineering apprenticeship. I wanted a new career, so I just left my teaching job, and then just wanted to focus. So I know someone who's basically a gas engineer, and near enough talked me into it. I found it really good actually. I think everyone's been very helpful, as in staff, and to be fair, it's actually been quite enjoyable, especially the practical side. It's helped a lot because then you recognise yourself with the tools, the equipment. So then when you go back to your work, you're much better with handling them, and then you understand names as well, which is becoming really helpful in the workplace. Yeah, good support, especially from my own tutors. I feel he's been very, very good, very helpful. But the other staff as well, not even my own tutors, the other staff that have been here have been really good as well. To get my plumbing, because I know that we're doing our plumbing first, so I think we should be getting that in January, so then I'll have that. And then just focus on the gas and just keep learning basically.